Okay, so he just pulled up, and I'm just gonna pretend like I'm on Facebook or something. My heart is pounding, like literally pounding. I gotta act calm. Oh my gosh. Hello. Babe, can you just give me a drink real quick? Just juice.
What the fuck is that? Fuck off. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh my god. What? That's awesome.
You should have seen my reaction. Do you think? Are you happy?
Yes.
Was it unexpected?
Very unexpected. I'm like, what's in the fridge? Is it thermometers?
Thermometers. Yeah. I'm pregnant.
Wow.
Do you know how hard it's been to hold this in and not call you and tell you to come home right now?
So that's why you were asking.
Yeah.
My mom's like, why would you make a supper plate so early? I'm like, I don't know. That's what you were up to. Wow.
I did record my reaction. Do you want to see it?